Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have got really treat for you all. We are diving into a closer look at the Hot Wheels Sally character car. But before we get into the detail, let's start with the unboxing. First up, let's talk about design. It's a 1:64 scale car, which is a miniature tribute to Sally, the sweet ragdoll from the Tim Burton movie. Just check out the patchwork paint job. It's like they took the Sally colorful dress and turned it into a car. How cool is that? And you will see the stitches and the vibrant color that make it look like a piece of her world. It's amazing. Plus, the mismatched wheel add a cool touch. One thing that really stands out is the front grille. It's designed to look like Sally's stitched smile, and the headlights, they are styled to resemble her gentle eyes, capturing her caring nature perfectly. And the Hot Wheel has done a fantastic job with the build quality. So this car is not only cute but durable too. For those who might not know, The Nightmare Before Christmas, it's a classic film that blends Halloween and Christmas magic. Sally, created by Dr. Finkelstein, is a lovable rag doll who dreams of freedom and love. She is a key character who helps Jack Skellington discover the true spirit of Christmas. What's amazing about this Hot Wheels Sally character car is how it brings a bit of that magical world into your hand. It's nostalgia, I think so. So whether you are a huge fan of the movie or a Hot Wheel collector, this car is a must-have. And yes, it's going into my collection. So if you want to add a piece of Halloween Town to your collection, this Sally car is the way to go. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments what other Hot Wheel diecast car you would like to see reviewed. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.